Hi everyone, this is going to be just a quick tutorial on how to use and make a clipping mask. So what is a clipping mask exactly? So as you can see, I have this artwork and it's kind of hanging off the edge and it's cut off exactly right where I want it, so it sticks onto the main body section, similar to how on the sleeve. Imagine I wanted something going across the sleeve, it would kind of be cut in half. So that's what I managed to do, and if you can hover over it you can see where it's been cut off. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is just an example I've already made, so let's go back. I'm going to just use it on a hoodie for now as an example. So what I'm going to do, so let's get the artwork. So this is my logo. I'm going to Control C, copy it into the correct layer. Make sure you do it in the right layer, and I'm going to scale it to where I want it to be. So I want it to be on the body section, and I want this part cut off where it's hanging over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the section I want it to be on. I'm going to press Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy, and what you're going to do is paste in front. So that's going to place it in front of everything, and then what you're going to do is Control Shift right bracket. That brings it to the front. If not, you can right click, arrange, bring to front, and now it's hanging over. So as you can see, this part is now on top of the graphic, but I actually want it to be on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the area I want it to be on, hold shift, click the graphic, and what I want to do is you can either right click and press make clipping mask, and it's done there, or if I go back you can highlight it and Control 7 on Windows, and Mac will be Command, and now it's on there as you can see. And I can just double click into it and I can move it around wherever I want to, and it will stay within the mask that I made. So that's all good, but if I want it to hang over multiple sections including the front pocket, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to make it its own shape first. So I'm going to delete this again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it in again, scale it kind of like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the parts which I want it to be on, so this and this, and now that's selected the whole front. I'm going to press Control C, the shortcut to place it in front, Control Shift V. Now it's on top, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the shape builder tool over here, Shift M is the command, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this one whole shape. So I'm going to just left click and just kind of go over the two sections, and now it's one shape. And then what I can do is the same again, hold this, press this, sorry, shift click onto the graphic and Control 7 or make clipping mask, and there you go. Now it's over both these sections, and I can again double click into that. I can hold Alt, I can duplicate it, I can move this around if I want, like this, and then I can click on this up here. You will have opacity. I'll just put it down to 30 maybe. There you go. And then I showed you in the other tutorial how to select everything at once to change the color. So I click one section with this color, go to select, same fill color, it will select all the colors, all the objects with the same fill color, and I can just edit it in one go, something like that. There you go, that's how you do it. We can do the same for the arm. I'll just show you how I did it quick. Let me just type it out. Let's make it white just so you can see. Yep, so move it how I want it to be, like this. click the arm, Control C to copy, Control Shift V to paste on top. If it's not on top, again, arrange, bring to front, or Shift, Control, right square bracket. Click them both with using Shift, Control 7. There you go. Can click in, can move it around, and that's how it's done.